wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come a shot a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back in this bitch with another banger video. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, let's see what we are dealing with today, man. Then a music club with none other than the First Nation boss himself. You don't know who we are talking about. Yes, Mr. Strongest, what is that? Strongest fighter, strongest soldier. Yeah, you don't know who we are dealing with, man. You don't know none other than Jahshii. Until we're there with the one name Keep Up. Yeah, man, and this one is kind of an old track. But we haven't reacted to the videos yet. And this one was requested by another one of the Mafia members. Daniel, big up yourself once again, my G. Yeah, man, this one was requested by Daniel. And we're going to check it out and see what I'm going to do. We're going to react to the video. We heard the song already, but the video, we need to react to the video. And yeah, man, before we jump in that track, guys, if you look at the description, you see the Discord, or you know, the Dan Mafia Discord is live. So go ahead and join the Dan Mafia server on Discord so you can chop it up. We can chop it up together, talk about music videos. You can send in your requests, and we can have more direct conversation. You know what I'm saying? Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. But yeah, man, go hop in the server right now so you can know as soon as videos go live. You know what I'm saying? You can drop your requests. You don't know, I said, yeah, we can chop it up, man. You know what I'm saying? We're lit, and we can plan videos together and all that stuff, and live stream notifications, all that. So definitely check out the description. Go check out the Discord and join the Discord server. We're lit over there. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys. You see what we're dealing with today? Yeah, man, we're there with Jahshii. Keep up. We'll check it out and swear dog. We don't hold up the vibe much longer. We're jumping at the track. We don't know Jahshii is dope already. So let's see what we're going to read. Let's get it. Jahshii, keep up. Let's get it.
Them keep up, me I go hard and me song them a creep up. Young go get there, forget the youth hero. Me I start from zero.
Count zero. We are start from zero. Yeah, yeah, go on. Yeah, man. Come on.
Wicked, yo, Janko. Been a dream about this 4 series parkside a 3-story. On the balcony living like a real tourist. I reminisce on the days me never mean no dish. Don't see me out as my
in a dream about this 4 series park next to 3 stories. Easy no man, Bumby, come in no dog.
I don't know how I feel about it, real glory. Nothing to see me, man, we do it so quick. Go round the G already know them want to be round me. About no press, I start the whip and them speed up. Hard for them keep up. Me I go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality,
they want they round me. Button press, the blow start. Hey, you know man, I'm to the
dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No one more me, I start from zero. No my bank account zero. I'm gonna tell you nothing never come free, bro.
Never come free.
Yeah.
You see me on tell you nothing not come free, bro. We are also from where they are in the cup. You see me, that's why I got cheese.
One good, no one's a fi run. Focus on me no slope on the front. Now go ever see soldier give up. I for hope me up, I can't hope me down. Used to put
Clyde never gonna see the soldier give up. I want him to have to go hold me up, cause I can't hold me dog. You know what I'm saying?
No way, any soup pour on the ground. Never wait for nobody for sure Jahshii out. So keep your comment forward, me post a picture. Plus me in my vibe, me can't sober for now. Them likes it, we are on the road.
Yeah, I mean, nobody never show me how, you see me? So keep your comments when me post my picture. You want to? You see me, you have to go. Yeah, see me, blow easy yourself, man, bro.
Now we young, nothing never regular when we totally no. Choppy never tell a lie and I totally so. From the phone I lift up, we are programming that. Girl I scream for the G, couple pour up on the top. Yeah, lead by a mile, it's more than enough. 360 start the tour, I'm done. No. It take a hard for them keep.
Easy no, man, bro. I forgot how hard this song is. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I forgot how bad this song is, man. The song is hard, bro. The video tough and everything. Lyrics, Jahshii, man, I see why, bro. When Jahshii just about say, your body jug, gravitate to Jahshii. So I don't know why dog slow up and I get lazy still, you know what I'm saying, dog? I ain't gonna lie, he been dropping lately, but little thing been going on with Jahshii. He slowed up a little, but he need to start, you know? Drop tune like on used to, man. Come in, Jahshii, a bad artist.
Me I go hard and my song them a creep up. For real a reality, my dream turn young, go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No one more me, I start from zero. No my bank account zero. And me I tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a need up. Self and not check cash, me no need you.
Yeah, Yeah, man, for real, man. Also, from my idea, I'm a knee cup. So if you're not chat cash, we don't need it. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, man.
Go get the cheese in myself and my team. Nobody at all, me no depend on for do it. No one for a load, me no mentally weak. Hustling up in me men.
Go get the dream for myself and my team. No if you were load. You see me? Yeah, we can't mentally weak around here, dog. I want you.
Quality, 25 years, me them heads from the gym. Can't chat about the crap, I ain't mention the cream. Different quality from me enter the speed. Them keep up. Me I go hard and my song, them a creep up.
Yeah,
For real, a reality, my dream turn young. Go get a heavy, get a youth hero. No one more want me, I start from zero. No my bank account.
Come easy now, man. You see dog, I live life, man, out road, portal and thing. You see me pan water, ski bike and anything there, man. You know what I'm saying?
Serious, I mean I tell you nothing never come free, bro. Me no hustle from me idea, I'm a nick up.
Yeah, bro. Jahshii, keep up. Are young Jahshii?
Youngest artist in a builders.
Yeah.
Man, ramp with me.
Don't ramp with him. I'm tell you, man. Yeah, man, look at Jahshii that the blouse and skirt. Dog, I do him thing, man. You see me? I said that was dope. Big up to Daniel. You see me? Yeah, man. Listened to the track before, but never reacted to the video. You see me? I say. So, yeah, man. I'm glad to react to that. Cause this actually remind me how dope that track was. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and how good of an artist Jahshii is. And why Jahshii, if you need a drop more tune and stop lazy, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Jahshii, the streets need a dog. You can drop some more tune and do your thing, my G. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, dog. The song them is a vibe. I also have more stories on them things. You know what I'm saying? So, real dope track, guys. Shout out to Daniel for that one. Yeah, guys, and let me know what you think about that one day. Yeah, man, real dope track from Jahshii. Keep up, drop it in the comment section. What was your favorite part? Beats, lyrics, melody, all that stuff. The video, the artist, all that. I'm gonna show the artist some of our support if I like. You don't know. Yeah, man, guys, and remember, yo, check the description. Link to the Discord is in the description. So go ahead and check it out. You know what I'm saying? We're lit over there. We can chop it up about music, requests, lives, and even content ideas. And you get your shout out. All them, you can have direct conversation, man. So definitely go check it out over there. We're lit over there, gang. You don't know what time it is. Damn Mafia, we're lit. You don't know we're turning up, man. You don't know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.